Hi, I'm Aisha Hussain. I'm a counseling psychologist with a psychodynamic orientation. I use the word psychodynamic. A psychodynamic orientation means that I'm trained to look at your experiences and rather help you look at your experiences in the context of how you were raised as a child and the kind of experiences that you had in your early life. बचपन में, एडोलेसेंस में आपने किस तरह से ज़िंदगी को एक्सपीरियंस किया है, उसका एक हैवी इम्प्लिकेशन होता है इन हाउ यू एक्सपीरियंस योर लाइफ टुडे. अगर आप मेरे पास किसी इशू को लेकर के आते हैं, आई विल टेक द एंटायर कॉन्टेक्स्ट ऑफ योर लाइफ इनटू फोकस व्हेन आई वर्क विद यू. सो व्हाट इज़ साइकोथेरेपी एंड हाउ डज इट वर्क? Psychotherapy एक collaborative enterprise है between the client and the therapist. Now what that means is that ना ये therapist अकेले कर सकता है, ना ही ये client अकेले कर सकता है. There is a rapport, there is a relationship that is established between the client and the therapist, and that is when the work of psychotherapy begins. किस तरीके का काम होता है? लोग बहुत सारे इमोशनल टर्मोइल्स, बहुत सारी मेंटल हेल्थ सिचुएशंस एंड कंडीशंस के साथ आते हैं जो उनके लिए अपने आप डील कर पाना बहुत मुश्किल हो जाता है. फैमिली एंड इमीडिएट केयर गिवर्स के लिए भी मुश्किल हो जाता है. देयरफॉर दैट इज़ व्हेन यू नीड एन एक्सपर्ट्स हेल्प एंड दैट इज़ व्हेन यू कम टू अ साइकोथेरेपिस्ट. साइकोथेरेपी को लेकर के लोगों के बहुत सारे क्वेश्चंस एंड कंसर्न्स होते हैं, जिनमें से The primary one is that इसमें कितना टाइम लगता है. What is the kind of time frame that we operate with? Psychotherapy में वक्त लगता है. It's not an overnight process. It is a process that requires time, investment of time and resources. And यहाँ पे जिन मसलों को, जिन प्रॉब्लम्स के साथ, जिन इश्यूज़ के साथ डील करते हैं, वो भी आपकी ओवरनाइट a lot of times नहीं डेवलप हुई होती हैं. They have developed over a period of time, over months, sometimes over years. So these issues cannot be dealt with, cannot be corrected overnight. They do require time. Another common question that we are asked is, does a counseling psychologist who is a psychotherapist prescribe medication? इसका एक straight answer ये है कि they don't. We help you understand the need, if at all, for medication by understanding in depth what your context is, what your situation is. अगर वहाँ कहीं हमें medication की ज़रूरत पड़ती है या ज़रूरत महसूस होती है, तो then we bring in someone who can do that for you. How do you know if you need therapy or if you should go for therapy? Therapy is something which is not limited to just mental health conditions. Obviously, if you're experiencing emotional turmoil and distress और अब बहुत टाइम से ज़हनी तकलीफ़ महसूस कर रहे हैं, you've tried to deal with it on your own, you've involved friends and family, you've tried to cope with it and try to deal with it in whichever possible ways that you could, लेकिन the situation has still persisted. Definitely you can go to a therapist and a therapist will help you deal with that. But like I said, therapy का role वहाँ तक limited नहीं है. If you're someone who wants to grow, who wants to understand themselves, who want to understand their complete potential, then you are also someone who can go for therapy. अब बात करते हैं कि आप अपने first therapy session में क्या expect कर सकते हैं. Number one, the therapist will explain to you कि फ़ी क्या होगी, एक सेशन का ड्यूरेशन कितना होगा. जनरली ये चीज़ें म्यूचुअली अग्रीड अपॉन होती हैं and then they are fixed. Number two, they will try to get a basic understanding of the context that you're coming from, and based on that they might give you a tentative idea of how the therapeutic work will proceed. Now the therapist has made a grand entry in pop culture. आप बहुत सारे सीरीज़ में, मूवीज़ में थेरेपिस्ट को देख सकते हैं, बुक्स में उनके बारे में पढ़ सकते हैं, थेरेपिस्ट एज कैरेक्टर्स, एंड you're shown a lot of transformation in a particular character जब एक therapist की entry होती है and जब वो character therapy में जाता है. So is that true? Is that how it happens? Some of the representation I would say is authentic. Transformation होती है, therapy is about transformation, but again there is a lot of time that goes into it. There is a lot of investment of resources that happens, and that is when the transformation happens. Now let's talk about the top 5 myths on Google about psychotherapy. The first one says that therapists are full of psychobabble. Maybe they're referring to the use of a lot of psychological terms, but that isn't true. Therapists try to do sessions in very understandable terms and in very commonly used language. So yeah, I think that's not true. So the next one is only crazy people go to therapy. So The word crazy is generally used to outline anything which is against the norm. So the expectation is that कि हम अपनी रोज़मर्रा की ज़िंदगी में जो भी हो रहा है हम उसको बिना किसी resistance के accept करते रहें. But that's not how it happens, and sometimes life gets difficult, sometimes experiences are very difficult, and you have the right to go and seek help. Anybody can actually go and seek help. The next one is that psychotherapy is mostly just talk. Well, it's true that psychotherapy does happen through communication and through talk, but that talk and the potency and the potential of that talk is transformative. That is the medium through which change happens. Alright, the last myth is that therapy is too expensive, and this needs addressing. In a world where mental health and emotional health are not that prioritized, definitely therapy can feel expensive, but the good thing is that you can always find a therapist jinki fee is actually something that you're comfortable with. If you're someone who's experiencing emotional turmoil and psychological distress, and if you would like to schedule a session with me, I am definitely taking clients at the moment, and to schedule a session you can reach out at cerebral.cp@gmail.com. I hope that whatever information I shared with you today has been helpful for you in some way. I will see you again, and until then, take care. Bye-bye.